All right, got camera adjusted here. Thank you, folks, for getting on my 4 p.m. scope. I got a little glare there. We'll move that around a little bit. Getting on my 4 p.m. scope, especially all you guys that are taking the time to watch it on a replay. I really appreciate it. My name is Ralph Coates, and I like to. I come on every day at 10 a.m. Central Standard and 4 p.m. Central Standard to talk about the amazing. Usually at 10 a.m. I'm talking about the products and services at Disrupt, and at 4 p.m. I'm talking about the business opportunity. However, I'm reversing it today. I talked about the business opportunity at 10 a.m. this morning. Had amazing results from lots of interest. Really appreciate that. And so now I want to talk to you about one of the products we have, or the services we have at Disrupt. It is truly an amazing service. It is a doctor on call, 24/7 access to a board certified physician anywhere in the United States for $34.95 a month. That's for you, your spouse, and you, your spouse, and 3 dependents. $34.95. That's it. I tell you, if you can find a better deal than that, jump on it. But you won't, because this is the best deal in town. And let me tell you, the best way I know to explain it is to tell you my story. A couple of Saturdays ago, I woke up at 8 o'clock, Saturday, mind you. About 8 o'clock in the morning, my head was all swollen up. Sinus. I knew it was a sinus infection. I'm 58 years old. I've had it plenty of times before in my life. So instead of having to wait till Monday to call the physician to go see him on Wednesday, I take off half a day on Wednesday, spending hours in a waiting room for the physician to tell me I need antibiotics for a sinus infection, and I didn't pay a $50 or $60 copay. I simply called in for a consultation on Saturday morning at 8:15. By 8:45, a board certified physician called me back. We spoke for about 5 minutes. He diagnosed me with a sinus infection, which I knew I had. He said, "What you need is some antibiotics, Mr. Coates." And so, excuse me. And so he said, "I see by your profile you like to use the Walgreens around the corner from your house." I said, "Yes, sir, I do." And by 9:30, 9:45 Saturday morning, I was at the Walgreens picking up my meds, getting on my antibiotics right then. No cost, no copay, no insurance. $34.95 a month, that's all it is. You, your spouse, and 3 dependents. And now I did have to pay for my meds, but we also offer a discount card for medications. Huge discounts, 40, 50, 60% off. And this discounts are available in, excuse me, some of my mouth. Sorry about that. These discounts are available in over 59,000 pharmacies around the United States. This is an absolutely amazing service. All you gotta do is call in. If you need a specialist, you have a child, you need a pediatrician, you call in and ask for a pediatrician. If you have some kind of weird skin rash, you call in and ask for a dermatologist. If you have some kind of rash on your arm, you can take a picture of the rash, upload it in the system. The dermatologist will get a chance to look at it on the screen and talk to you about it. It is absolutely amazing savings, and it's only for $34.95 a month, 24/7 access to a doctor. Now, I'll tell you another story. Is I've got a friend, he and his wife have got 3 children, and over a 2-week period, all 5 of them got sick. So he used the doctor on call for all 5 situations, and instead of having, if he'd have taken all 5, if him and his wife and 3 kids had all gone to the doctor, it would have cost him, his copay is $50 per visit, and so he got 5. That's $250 he'd have to put out of his pocket. But because he had doctor on call, $34.95 got him, his wife, and his 3 kids all diagnosed and back on the road to recovery. All it cost him $34.95. He didn't have to miss work. The kids didn't have to miss school. It's just an amazing, amazing opportunity. Another great offer, great deal on is wherever you're traveling. Let's say you're traveling to Ohio, and you wake up on a Saturday morning or Sunday morning in your hotel in Toledo, and you feel bad. Calling for a consult, and within typically around 15 minutes or so, a board certified physician in this example from Ohio will call you back and diagnose your situation and say, okay, well, I see there's a pharmacy 2 blocks from your hotel. They'd send the prescription to the pharmacy. No cost, no copay, no insurance. $34.95 a month. That's amazing. Instead of having to wait till you got back home to where I'm at in Texas and tough it out, you just make a call right there. You get a board certified physician from the state you're in to call you right then. Let's just think if you're an over-the-road trucker. You don't know what state you're going to be in from day to day. And let's say you're based in Texas, Houston, and you're up in Montana and you feel bad. And instead of having to tough it out till you got back home, which might be a week or so, and take over-the-counter prescription or over-the-counter drugs and tough it out till you get home to Houston to go to your primary physician, which you have to take off work to do, by the way, you simply call in and a board-certified physician from the state of, in this example, Montana will call you back. Get your meds within 15, 20 minutes. You're back on the road. You're feeling good. And it makes the rest of the trip so much more enjoyable. And it just only makes sense. It just only makes sense, especially those that people that travel. It just only makes sense. Another great example is productivity in business. I've got an insurance agent I work with. He has 5 ladies in his office. All 5 of them, none of them have health insurance. So with one of them, their spouse or their kids get sick. So the kids get sick, the ladies have to take off work, pull the kid out of school, go spend all day in the clinic to get the child diagnosed and treated. So what happens is the child misses school, the lady misses work, which means she loses a paycheck, and the employer loses productivity. It's a bad deal for everybody. So what he did, and he did this out because as a benefit, he's paying for all 5 of these ladies to get the doctor on call, $34.95 a month. So when one of the ladies gets sick, or their kid or their spouse gets sick, they don't have to take off work. They can just call in for a consult right then. It's a great thing. The ladies don't lose a paycheck. The employer does not lose productivity. The children have to miss school, and the spouse he doesn't have to miss work to go to the doctor himself. Because 95% of the reasons you go to the doctor can be diagnosed over the phone. I guarantee you that. And this guy can do this. It's $175 a month, and his productivity goes through the roof. The morale in his office is going through the roof because the ladies think he's the greatest boss in the world. Now he's doing this as a benefit for working for him. We have other employers that do it as a payroll deduction. It's completely your decision. But if you want the productivity in your office to go up, make it where your people do not have to miss work because they're ill, or their child or their spouse is ill. That makes all kinds of good business sense. You can call in as many times as you want. There's no limit. So a lot of companies do have doctor on call, but a lot of these companies will charge you $40, $50 every time you call. No expense at Disrupt. One-time fee, $34.95 a month. That's it. And you can call in 20 times a day if you want to. You can even call in for if you need some advice for this medication interfere with this medication or something. You just need some medical advice. They're happy to talk to you. The average time of practice of these doctors is about 15 years. So these are not some kids fresh out of med school. These are seasoned professionals. It is an amazing opportunity. If you want some more information on Doctor on Call from Disrupt, send me an email, ralphcoats@yahoo.com, and I'll send you some information on it. Or go to my website, DISRUPTGLOBAL.net. Look at Doctor on Call on the website. As always, if you think what I'm saying has got some merit, please share it with your fellow social media people, followers. What I'm trying to say. Thank you very much. You can always, again, send me an email. I'm on every day at 4 p.m., 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. to talk about either the products and services we offer or our company Disrupt, the business opportunity. This is an amazing opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. We're only 8 months old. We are worldwide. We're throughout the United States. We are throughout Central America. We just opened Bolivia. I'm talking to people in Switzerland, Germany, France, Ghana, Kenya. This company is truly going worldwide. This is a ground floor opportunity. But we are looking for entrepreneurs, not people that want to stay with our real people that make a positive change in their life, people that want to do some work. And I'll guarantee you, this is an absolute ground floor opportunity to Disrupt. If you want some more information about Disrupt, send me an email, ralphcoats@yahoo.com. It is, in my opinion, the best opportunity you'll ever see because you're in on the absolute ground floor of a startup that's going worldwide. We've only been in business about 8 months. We haven't even scratched the surface yet of where we're going with this company. So, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate your time. I will be on tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time and again at 4 p.m. tomorrow Central Standard Time to talk about products and services. And at 10 a.m. I think I'll be talking about the business opportunity again. And then 4 p.m. tomorrow about some other products and services. Oh, by the way, before I go, Disrupt has got, besides our great Zuna non-transdermal holographic disc, we also are introducing a new product. This is a essential oil called Pure Innovation. We'll be launching that here in a couple weeks. Absolutely amazing That's very impressive. I'm sure your mom is proud of you. Anyway, sorry about that. There's some real creeps out there. Anyway, Pure Innovations, it's an amazing product, absolutely amazing product. And it's essential. It's so cool. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I got for today. I will see you tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Get in touch with me, Ralph Coates at Yahoo. Thanks.